Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video, we will write a C program to find the factorial of a number. Now, what is factorial of a number? When we multiply all the numbers, let the number be 5. If we multiply 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, and that answer is called as factorial of that number. Now, we can do this program in different ways. One is by using recursive function and another in simple way. At first we'll try to solve the program in simple way. So we will add the header file include stdio.h. After that we'll have main function int main, then parenthesis. Now we will take variables, so integer variable and one more variable fact, and we'll define factorial variable as 1. Here we'll not take it as 0, because if we take it as 0, then what will happen? The answer will become 0, because if we multiply any number with 0, it comes 0. So it will be, the initial value will be as 1. Now we'll have to take the value of n from the user. So we'll write printf. Here enter the value of n. Then scanf statement to scan the number. After scanning the number, now we are going to use loop. So we will write while n greater than equal to 1, and inside bracket we will write f equal, sorry, not f, fact equal fact into n minus fact into n. And in next line we have to reduce the value of n, so we'll write n equal n minus 1. So at the first time the equation will be like that: fact equal fact into n, that means fact equal 1 into 5. So again it will come to next line and reduce the value of n. Suppose n is 5, so it become 4. Again it will execute. So next time fact value is 5 into 4, so like that way it will go on, and finally we'll get a factorial. Now we'll have to print the value, so we'll write printf factorial of %d is %d, and the values will be like first one is n and second one is fact, and the last statement is return 0. Now we will save the program. We'll give the name as factorial and we will compile the program. For compiling, we'll click this option. So enter the value of n. Let the value be 5. So factorial of 0 is 120. Why it's 0? Let's try to find out the mistake. Oh, here we change the value, that's why it's become 0. But if we don't want to change the value, then we can have one more variable that can be temp, and we can copy the value of n to temporary variable. So we can write temp equal n. Now we can write here in place of n temp. Now the answer will come as factorial of 5 is 120. So let's compile the program again, or somewhere Line number 14. Oh yes, this plus sign. Enter the value of n, let it be 5. So the factorial of 0 is 120. This line should not be here. This line should be after taking the value of n. Factorial of n, the value is 5. So the factorial of 5 is 120. Now how it is 120? Let's find out in calculator. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So equal 120. So our answer is correct. Now we will try to do by it using recursive function. So let's close this output. This is we are doing in simple way. We are not using here function. Just it's similar to the program sum of n numbers. Here is just instead of plus sign we are doing multiply. Now we are doing by using recursive function. So we'll take a new file, empty file, and we will take language is C++, and here the header file. And here our functions int find fact. This is our function, and here we are taking one variable int n, and here our main function int main. And similar way we have to take the value of n. So for this part what we can do, we can copy this part. As this line are exactly same, so I am copying to save time. int n, int n, and we'll take one more variable result. So done. This one we can take result equal 1. Then value of n, we took the value of n. Now we have to call the function. So result equal, here we'll call the function find fact, and we'll pass the value n through the function. Now we'll display the value of result. So print f, here we'll write factorial equal percentage d, and the value variable is result, and the last line return 0. So this is done our main function part, and here result value no need to define. And now we are going to write the inside the function. We will write first if, we'll check whether n is greater than equal to 1 or not. If it is greater than equal to 1, then we will return. Then we will return n into, and in break again we'll call the function find fact, and in bracket we'll write n minus 1, and it will continue till the value of n become 1, and else we will return 1, not 0, because if we return 0 then it will multiply with the factorial, and the answer will become 0. That's why we are returning here 1, not 0. Now let's compile the program. Value of n 5. So the factorial is 120. Let's try it with some other number. 6, it is 720. So our program is correct. This way you can find out the factorial of a given number. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.